In this video, we're going to be talking about the change of base formula. So what exactly does the change of base formula do? Why is it helpful? What does it allow us to do? Well, the change of base formula allows us to change a logarithm into a common log or a natural log. Well, why is that important? It's important because it allows us to use our calculator when we're evaluating. So here's what the change of base formula says. If you have A, B, and C, and they're positive real numbers where B and C are not equal to 1, then you can say that the log base C of A can be rewritten as the log base B of A over the log base B of C. In particular, it allows us to take the log base C of A and rewrite it as the common log of A divided by the common log of C. And it also allows us to take that log base C of A and turn it into the natural log of A over the natural log of C. Let's go ahead and let's practice this a little bit. So we're going to evaluate the log base 3 of 8, but we're going to do it using common logs. And in order to do that, we're going to need to use the change of base formula. So here we have the log base 3 of 8, and we're going to write that using our change of base formula. We're going to have the log of 8 divided by the log of 3. So what's important to note is that the base stays on the bottom. And remember that it's all about that base, So again, we have our log of 8 divided by our log of 3, and we're now able to pull up our calculator. And from here, we can go ahead and we can enter in the log of 8 divided by the log of 3. We hit enter, and we get a decimal answer. We get 1.892789261. We're going to go ahead and we're going to round this to 3 decimal places. So our answer is going to be 1.893. And we've now evaluated the log base 3 of 8 using common logarithms. Let's try another example. So in this example, we're going to be evaluating the log base 6 of 24 using natural logarithms. So as we talk about natural logarithms, the idea is the same as when we did our common logs. Instead of using log base 10 though, we're going to be using the natural log. So again, we're trying to find our natural logarithms. That's what we're going to use. So here we have our log base 6 of 24, which we will rewrite as a natural logarithm. And so we'll have the natural logarithm of 24 divided by the natural logarithm of 6. Again, notice that my base is still on the bottom. So we're going to pull up our calculator and we're going to plug that in. So we have our natural log of 24 over our natural log of 6. So we'll go ahead and hit enter. And there we have it, 1.7737056114. And we'll round this one to 3 decimal places as well, leaving us at 1.774. And so we now have evaluated the log base 6 of 24 using natural logarithms.